Hey guys, welcome back to Mad Artist. In today's video, I'm going to show you top 3 ideas for Father's Day that you have never seen on YouTube. Let's get on to the video.
So I was thinking, what would be the best way to show that dads are very caring and show so much love to their children? And this idea definitely shows it. It shows that a mother's affection is more or less equal to a father's affection towards his child, and the sling that the father uses to carry his child resembles how the mother carries her baby inside her womb. I wanted to do something different with the folding surprise card, so I folded it the same way but flipped it sideways so the card expands horizontally instead of vertically. Then I sketched the outline and inked it off camera and colored it with Ohuhu Markers because they blend beautifully and have vibrant color choices. Then I added some shadows on the letters to give depth and that three-dimensional effect. And yeah, I'm done. Now listen to that calm music. So my second idea had a little inspiration from the Mother's Day card video. I didn't want this idea to be so identical to the Mother's Day project, so I added something that is different. I decided to add the wives / the mothers. I made the mothers, or the wives, look small in perspective and made the dads look big since it is the dad's day. It's Father's Day. It's their day to shine. This is the same basic folding of the folding surprise card where it just folds vertically. Nothing is really different in that. And oh, don't forget to comment on which idea is the best. I really want to know what you guys liked. For all 3 ideas, I used a different type of paper, which is the Ohuhu brand marker paper. But all the materials I used in this video are in the description box down below. So after the inking is done, I just started adding some bit of shadows. And here's my final product after inking. And then, yeah, I just started coloring, and once the coloring is done, I'm done with my second idea. So now I just sit back and listen to that calm music. So my third idea, I wanted to try Happy Father's Day in graffiti style. So I decided to make a card in a shirt-like shape. And when you open it, the words Happy Father's Day in graffiti style will be there. I cut out the card after folding into a shirt-like shape. Then I drew the pattern of the shirt outside of the card. I decided to choose this pattern, but you guys can do anything different or even copy me, but I really want you guys to be creative. So once I'm done with the outside of the card, I opened it and started drawing the Happy Father's Day in graffiti. I added some reference lines to, help me place where the letters would be, where are the boundaries, so the letters would really pass that boundary. So here are my results, the changes that I made off camera. I'm happy with them. I finished the top, the cover, and yeah, I was really happy with it. After I inked the letters, I started adding some shadows, and then once I'm just done with inking, I just started to color it with color pencils, which are Prismacolor pencils. This was a bad choice because the pencil color, they were all smudging everywhere. I just really didn't like it. But the outcome wasn't really bad. Anyways, after the coloring, I'm done. Hope you guys have a great Father's Day.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more videos like these, click here to subscribe to my channel. Click here to see the coronavirus folding surprise card. Click here to see my Mother's Day folding surprise card. And click here to see how I drew Joker out of Ohuhu Markers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video with new creative ideas.